Hello everyone, good evening. So in this video we are going to learn how to open MS Excel and what are the components we are going to use under MS Excel. So basically MS Excel is one of the package of MS Office and using MS Excel for calculation purpose. So here we are going to use the steps to open MS Excel. See, there is a search tab and the taskbar. That means where the start button is locating. Here there is a search tab. You can see here on the taskbar there is a search tab. Now what I am going to do here on the search tab, simply I am going to type Excel EXCEL. See, on my search tab I have typed Excel. As soon I type Excel here, on the search window, the top of the window, it is going to appear Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Click on that. Once we click on that, now the interface of MS Excel is going to be appear on to the screen. So here on the screen you can see now the MS Excel window is going to be appear. So yeah, once we open MS Excel, in the place of working area we are going to see so many rows and columns, or the small boxes, what we are going to call it as the small boxes, we are going to call it as cells. So here you can see small boxes, each and every small boxes what we are going to see on the screen, the entire small boxes we are going to call it as cell. And this is the working area in MS Excel. The MS Excel is formed by rows and columns. Okay, now what is rows and what is columns? See here on a working area, the horizontal and also vertical lines what we are going to see on the screen, we are going to call it as rows and columns. The horizontal and vertical lines what we are going to see on the screen, we are going to call it as rows and columns. Rows and columns. Now we came to know what is rows and what is columns. And also for the identification of the rows and columns, here we are going to call it as column headers. See, where the alphabets are located, each and every alphabet represents the columns, and where the numbers represents, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, where the number representing, these are all rows. If we see the numbers on a worksheet, we are going to call it as rows, and where we see alphabets on a worksheet, we are going to call it as columns. See, these are the identification for rows and columns. And also what we are going to call it as A, B, C alphabets, these are the column header, and 1 2 3 numbers are the row headers. Means these are the identification for rows and columns. Now we have understood what is rows and what is columns, and also how can we identify rows and columns. Now we will see some of the components of MS Excel window. See, what are the components? Means some of the parts will be there. What are the parts we are going to see here? See, first of all, the very first thing we are going to see, the top of the window, we are going to call it as title bar. See, title bar, see, title means is nothing but name. The title is nothing but name. It displays the name of our current file or current worksheet. See, whatever the name I give here, it is going to display onto the taskbar. Sorry, display onto the title bar. On the title bar, we are going to find the name of the file or the name of the worksheet or name of the workbook. And left side we can see here. See, on the title bar left side, there is a some of the applications. The entire area we are going to call it as quick access toolbar. See, if I keep the cursor here, it is going to appear quick access toolbar. Here, customize quick access toolbar. That means, see, once I click onto the customize quick access toolbar, whatever the applications or whatever the options I can add into my quick access toolbar. See, nothing. Quick access means instead of searching here and there, directly we can selecting on one click. Not only we are calling as quick access toolbar. Under quick access toolbar, we can keep these are the applications here. See, that is new, open, save, email, quick print, print preview, spelling, undo, redo, sort ascending, sort descending. These are all applications, these are all options we can keep onto my quick access toolbar. Then after quick access toolbar, there is a office button here. See, the left corner there is a office button. See, what is office button? See, under office button we are going to get some of the applications here or some of the options. See, once I click onto the office button, under office button I am getting new, open, save, save as, print, prepare, send, publish and close. These are the options will be under office button. Say for example, I want to open new worksheet or new workbook. There is a option here, new. If I click on to the new worksheet is going to be open. And here open option is using for already we have saved, means existing files. Already we have saved in the computer, and if at all you want to open that particular existing files, by selecting the open option we can open and save. See, once we create or once we prepare any our file or worksheet, if at all you want to save, there is a option save. Once we click onto the save, it is going to be save, means whatever the file name we give on the file name, it is going to be save. And here there is a save as. See, save and save as, the differences between save and save as. The new file if we are saving, usually we are going to use as save as. See, once I click onto the save as, the save as window is going to be appear here. So you can see here under save as we are going to give a particular name. Here I'm going to give it as workbook, sorry, book 1. Then once I give the name of the file, I'm going to select the location as desktop. See, these are the locations where we are going to save our files. See, these are the locations. I can also save under the home, I can also save under the gallery, I can also save under OneDrive. There are so many storage locations are there. Here I'm going to select my storage location as desktop, because if it is there on the desktop I can get easily. So I am going to select the storage location as desktop, then I'm going to save. See, once I save, you can see here the name is going to appear on the title bar. And whatever the changes here I'm going to make now, once already saved, and whatever the changes I'm going to make, again there is no need to use save as, because already it is existing in the computers. So once whatever the changes if you do, after making the changes, simply if we click onto the save, automatically whatever the changes we made, it is going to be saved. Then after preparing our workbook, whatever the print if at all you want to take, by using the print option we can get the printout, then prepare then send and publish and close. These are all the applications will under the copies button. And remaining components we will discuss into the next video. Thank you.